Okay, I'm going to do a yard walk around. It's raining a little bit. It's been raining since probably about midnight. It's not too hard right now, but they're expecting heavy rain later. This is the front yard. You can see it's soaking wet. Everything here is soaking wet. All the way down here, there's no drains put on the side of the road here, but that's pretty much the case for this whole road. Okay, now I'm coming up here. Very wet all the way up. This is water that's been coming down. It's starting to saturate. It's been like saturated for quite a while now. See, water. I'm going to come up here. Now you can see there's water coming down the hill, going down there, goes up there, and up above there is where all the houses are, built in the 1980s. This water over here was not here that long ago. This is something that's new. It's starting to come down more and more. Okay. Okay, here's the problem areas. Starting to walk into the swamp. Okay. Can't, literally, it's just swamp. Swamp all the way up here. This is where you can see visible running water. The whole thing here is just complete swamp. It's been like this now for 10 years or more. I cut all the cattails out. All the way down here, swamp. Area comes down here a lot. You can see the water running. This is not my fence. This is their shed. Cattails, and the water goes all the way up there around the shed. There we go. Okay. Now, if I don't sink too far, which I am. Okay, water. I dug this little ditch. Still very soaked on that side. It's not quite as wet on this side now. This is about the property line. It's about 5 feet, maybe, or less, to the right of that trench I dug. So, yeah, it's still very, very wet, even on this side of the trench. But you can see there's water coming down there. And it goes all the way down here. So it's holding back some of the water, but it's not holding even close to it, what it needs to. Where the water's coming from, why it's coming down here, I don't know. Okay, so I'll turn around. These are the bushes and property line. It's a straight shot that way, and it comes down here straight. Now we're coming down into here. Total wet. I mean, I can't even. Oh, I'm falling down into the ground. It's just running. It's just a big stream of water. Now I'll come over here. I will show you the storm drain cap. This has a pipe that goes up the hill underneath. Comes down from the housing plan all above here. Okay. You can hear it. flowing pretty good. For some reason, okay, the pipe goes this way now. Ahead is the gully, I call it. Comes down here, and for some reason there's a big ditch here. Pipe is not connected at all. Okay. And the gully. And there's the house over there where we started out there in the front. And I'll get close without trying to fall in and die. Okay, there's the water coming in from above. Fills up this thing. Now, across the road there is a pipe, and it will have some water coming out. I'm sure I'm not going to climb down there now, but I see no exit for the water here other than wherever it drains into, seeps into the ground, I guess. So, come back over. This is just straight mud. It's just mud, flowing water all the way down. Walking around the gully thing. And here's this ditch that I made for some of the water to drain down into there. Of course, it's just a sopping mess. And then over here, the water is just all the way across here. This is getting worse every year. It just seems like it's the yard's washing away, basically. And then back out to the front. And then over here, I'll just show you again the gully. And this area is very soft. Like the water is just terribly wet. It never dries out. This might dry out in the summer if we get like 2 or 3 weeks of dry weather, but other than that, wet. So there you have it.